Hey there, we're the Markhams, Chris, Andrea, and our adventure dog, Emmy. We're combat veterans who met in Afghanistan, sold our house after 7 amazing years, and now we're hitting the road to explore every corner of America. From stunning national parks to hidden caves, we're on a non-stop adventure, making memories and chasing sunsets. Set off on an unforgettable adventure across America with us and our dog, Emmy. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any moments. Tomorrow we have a travel day. We are moving to the site we're going to be at for a majority of the summer. We won't be there the whole summer, but we'll be there the majority of the summer, so it's our kind of our last travel day for a few months. So we're just getting the garage tore down right now. I'm helping Chris out because he is working, so I'm getting it mostly set up for him so he can strap everything down. So I will show you what it looks like. Alright, so I already have both the desks tore down and they just collapse down. They're on little L brackets. They have 4 L brackets each. They'll come down. The glass in the back doors are down, and I rolled up the rug, which is right there. That's our rug for back here. So now he'll pretty much just strap everything down. The tools will come down. They go into about a stack of 2 and they'll get strapped down. The chest freezer gets strapped in, and then it gets plugged into this, which gets plugged into a solar outlet, so it has power while we're driving. But in reality we're only going an hour, but we're still going to plug it in because your girl has like 4 months of food stocked up in there for Emmy right now, and of course she's just living her best life outside. But I will do a little bit more on the rest of it, and I'll kind of show you as I'm going. Note, our hummingbird feeders have to come down. So my desk, when I tear it down, all my stuff goes into this laundry basket down in here. Hello! And then like some of our random workout gear, and this laundry basket will actually go into the garage bathroom, and it will go like right there. And then that rug is our rug that goes on top of our pool noodles, so Emmy's little feet don't fall in the side deck. This is what our garage looks like when everything is strapped down. So Chris has already been in here and done all the strapping of all the stuff that needs to stay put. There is a little walkway to be able to get in different areas, but other than that, this is what it looks like. So pretty good considering the stuff we have. Alright, so everything is put away. The last thing to do is to pick up rugs. This is our bedroom rug. It just goes on our bed and rides right here. Never had an issue with it, so let's knock on fake wood. Shower has all the goodies stored in it. Bathroom doors are locked. We'll move down here. So this rug is a 10-foot rug. It's excessive, but our dog likes to go skiing on the slippery floor, so we put a rug in. So it's fun to put away. And then this one is just I think it's like a 6-foot rug, and it just goes right here as well. Good. And then we put a pool noodle on here to protect our chairs, because this is just like a raw edge wood table and it's not the smoothest, so that protects it. Alright, and the last rug to get picked up would be my kitchen rug, and that just rides right there. Gotta grab my husband's wallet because he left it in his lunchbox. And then the sink literally gets all the plants. So plants, Emmy's bowls, and that's it. Now we'll bring in slides. Stop. Just a hair back. If you're interested in learning more about the Anderson Hitch's Ultimate Gen 3 hitch, which is the one that we have that you see here, we've put together a full playlist of videos covering everything from lockout kits and Gen 3 installation to our comprehensive review of the hitch. The link to the playlist is below. Ready for a track talk? We had a safe travel to our new site for the summer, and once we got there, we started putting buckets down to be able to put our jacks down. Once all the jacks are down, we start prepping the truck to be able to disconnect it from the RV. Also, if you don't have this little stair step for your dually tire, I highly recommend it. I'll put the link below. Once the truck is disconnected, it is time to level. Chris starts setting up the outside by hooking up water, power, all that good stuff. I work on getting all the outside compartments unlocked. That way they don't go flying open on a travel day. Get the electrical cord rolled up, and then get the stairs pulled out and start sending slides out so that way Miss Emmy can get inside the RV and out of the truck. Alright, so we made it to our spot. The outside is all set up. Super easy travel day. We only went like 60 miles, so this is our spot where we'll be for majority of the summer up here in Minnesota, Wisconsin area. And now we just gotta set up the inside. So, yay! The main living area is always my first place to get done because this is where Emmy is going to hang out most of the time while we're setting up. On the inside, one of the first things I start doing is always pulling everything out of the sink, which is all my plants. Yes, that is a real plant that is that long. She also seems to think that anytime we have a travel day, no matter how short it is, that whenever we arrive to the next place, that it is her feeding time, whether it be 11 a.m. or 3 p.m. like she should be fed at. You want to say hi? But I like it anyways, 'cause I think I'm getting closer to you every day. My absolute favorite flowers are stargazer lilies. They were in my wedding bouquet. I actually have it tattooed on my arm as well. Like, my all-time favorite flowers. And they smell amazing. I wish I could find a perfume that literally smelled like them because I would buy it. From here, it's just setting up the rest of the kitchen. Most of it I store in the pantry, and if you've never RV'd before, make sure you open all your cabinets slowly because stuff will fall on you. I'm also very OCD about leveling, so yes, that is a level, and I'm checking the level in multiple places to make sure that I am happy with where it is at. Once I get the main area set up, I move into the garage to help Chris. I help with rolling up the straps, moving stuff out of the way so we can get everything set up. Then we start moving the workout gear into place, And then we're able to prop up the desks and start putting those in place with the chairs and try and get to the rug so that way we can get the rug put down. But first, you gotta vacuum because I don't know where this dirt comes from, but it shakes loose from somewhere and it is everywhere. Now that the dirt is gone, we can get these chairs out of the way to get to the outside deck stuff and move those onto their respective decks and get the rug put out. We are not dropping the back deck yet because it's supposed to rain this afternoon, and it's not waterproof. Now it is time to set up my work desk. I work fully remote for an amazing company and absolutely love my job, but unfortunately that is all I'm going to say about it. I know your standard remote worker answer. And last but not least, we bring the Happy Jack system down, which is where we store all the towels that we use to secure stuff safely with the straps so nothing gets ruined, and then we put the heavy strap bag up there and send the Happy Jack system back up, and we are done. The house is all set up and ready to go. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any of the fun. See you next time.